Hello friends, this is Julie from Sunzi Complete. We are excited to invite you to join us at the Dubai Entertainment Amusement Leisure Exhibition from April 8 to 10. This year we will bring our star products to the show, including fully automatic honey candy machines. Watch fluffy clouds of sweetness come to life right before your eyes. Ice cream machines. Discover a world of creamy, delicious possibilities with our state-of-the-art ice cream machines. Popcorn machines. Taste freshly popped popcorn, perfect for any event. The exhibition address is as shown below. See you in Dubai!